Removing the ignition switch from a 94 Honda Accord. You can see it right here. I got the cover off. Will not come out because there's a bolt on the other side right here, which is an 8mm. Right there. What I did is I took up my little knife right here, went in here like so, and cut out around here at the bottom of the switch. Now I could put my wrench on there like so and take it out. Just keep going like this. It'll come right on out of there. Don't have to remove the whole tire assembly like everybody else does. You're gonna have to bend this part back right here. Sorry about that. I used a wrench, put it on here, bent this back, got the unit to come right on out without removing everything else on the steering column that you see there. I go to the store, buy a new one, and put it right on in there.